Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing your gear. Charge the speaker or headphones and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once connected, open the JBL Headphones app. Make sure it's the latest version to access all features. Tap your device name inside the app to establish a stable link. Once done, navigate to the main device screen where the Equalizer lives. This immediate setup gets you into the app without delay, so you can focus on shaping the sound rather than troubleshooting connections. Now tap the Equalizer tab and choose Custom to start shaping audio. You'll see frequency bands, low, mid, and high, like 60 Hz through 12K Hz, drag sliders to boost bass or tame harsh highs. Make small changes and listen. Drastic jumps create distortion. Once you have a balance, save it as a new preset and give it a clear name. If the app offers a /B compare, alternate quickly to hear the difference. This iterative approach shows you how subtle tweaks affect clarity and presence. Finish by applying your preset and syncing it to the JBL device. Then test using several songs at different volumes so you hear real-world results. If the EQ sounds wrong, revert to the app default and redo smaller adjustments. Make sure firmware is current, because outdated firmware can block EQ changes. If problems persist, repair Bluetooth or reinstall the app. A quick reset usually fixes common issues, so check connection, firmware, and app state before deeper troubleshooting to restore predictable sound behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.